Hey there, drone dreamers and adventure seekers. Imagine this. You're hiking through the misty trails of Yosemite, your phone in one hand capturing shaky clips, but suddenly, a tiny flying buddy launches from your palm. Dodging trees like a pro, tracking your every step with crystal-clear 4K footage that makes your social feeds explode. No controller, no hassle, just pure, effortless magic in the sky. That's the world the DJI Neo unlocked last year, and now, with the Neo 2 hitting the scene, it's like Apple-level evolution in drone tech. If you're stateside, itching for that next-level vlogging gadget without the pro price tag, buckle up because today's deep dive into the DJI Neo 2 is packed with fresh reveals from supply chain whispers, insider benchmarks, and hands-on scoops that leaked just before launch. We're talking game-changing upgrades that could make this your go-to for everything from backyard selfies to epic road trips. Stick with me for the full 30 minutes. You won't want to miss how this little beast might just outsmart every mini drone out there, and why grabbing one now could save you from FOMO when stock vanishes. Let's launch right in. First, rewind a bit to set the thrill. The original DJI Neo dropped in late 2024 like a stealth bomber, palm-sized at just 135 grams, under that magical 250-gram FAA limit, so no registration headaches for recreational flyers in the US. It was DJI's cheeky nod to the selfie drone craze, born from folks like you complaining about clunky gimbals and overpriced toys. Palm takeoff. Check. Gesture controls for follow me vibes? Double check. 4K at 30 frames per second with rocksteady stabilization? It turned shaky GoPro knockoffs into smooth cinematic gold. But whispers started early this year. 2025 supply chain leaks from Shenzhen factories hinted at Project Echo, a codename buzzing with rumors of omnidirectional smarts and buttery 60 frames per second video. Fast forward to October 30th, when DJI pulled the curtain in China. The Neo 2 wasn't just an update, it was a rebellion against boring flight cams. Global rollout hit November 6th, but here's the tea for our American crew. Official US shelves are ghosted due to those looming trade tensions, meaning savvy shoppers are hunting gray market gems or crossing to Canada for $309 steals. But don't sweat. These leaks confirm it's worth the hunt, and I'll spill exactly why. Let's geek out on the bones of this beast, the specs that leaked from FCC filings and prototype teardowns, now proven in wild tests. At its core, the Neo 2 tips the scales at a featherlight 151 grams sans extras, ballooning to 160 with the optional transceiver module for that pro-range punch. That's still sub 250G bliss, so you can yeet it into the air from your Grand Canyon overlook without paperwork drama. Powering the skies? A bumped-up 1,606 mAh battery, 11.5 watt-hours of juice, promising 19 minutes of hover time per the lab sheets. Real-world leaks from beta pilots clock it at 13 to 15 minutes with wind or that module attached. But hey, quick-swap batteries in the Fly More kit mean you're back aloft before your coffee cools. Charging. USB-C fast-forward, guzzling up to 65 watts in the hub-to-top 3 packs in under an hour. Top speed leaks at 16 meters per second, about 35 miles per hour, enough to chase your kids' skateboard antics or